In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Device Connection. Now click on Connection Preferences and select Printing after scrolling down. Finally, you can tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, you need to remember to disable this one first, thanks to this blue switcher. When you finished, go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When it's ready, just click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!